Hi, chosen ones. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikkel. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications. Hope everyone is having a good day. I'm also having a good day. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I was trying to give other ways of inspiration and motivation. I'm trying to give inspiration and motivation through singing or reciting poetry. But now I'm back making a video. I'm back. Once again, I'm back. I'm going to talk about invest in yourself. I'm not going to come with here and try to get you to join a program. I'm not advertising a money program. I'm not going to come in here and tell you that I got a money program that's going to make you rich, wealthy, and prosperous. I'm not going to spread a bunch of lies to you or sell you a dream that's not true. I'm not going to sell you a fake dream. I'm just not going to do that. That is not my character. That is not me. What I'm going to tell you to do is just invest in yourself. Invest in the stock market. I've been getting involved in the stock market. I'm doing a lot of reading and researching on the stock market. It's like gambling, but it's worth the risk and chance because it's good money in the stock market. I was like, oh my goodness, all this time I didn't know and realize that it's good money in the stock market. I was like, oh my goodness, all this time I could have been doing this. All this time I could have been investing in myself. Like I say, I'm just going to talk to you. First, you have to believe in yourself. I'm not going to sell you a program to become rich and successful. What I'm going to say is these are the steps to get into financial freedom and financial independence from working a job every day. I'm going to tell you, first you must believe in yourself. Believing is the first and most important thing. If you don't believe in yourself, then you can't achieve and do anything. So I'll say, just start off saving small. Like, it depends on your income. Okay, so I will say every week or when you get paid, you can invest 10% or 50%. Like I say, each time you get paid, try to invest 10%, 30%, or 50%. It depends on your income, but don't save out too much that you can't afford. I mean, you know what's in your budget. You know what's in your budget, and you know what you can afford. So I would say just start off small by saving that every week. I would say, and take that 10%, that 30%, or that 50% and invest it in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Like I say, I'm not investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. You can invest in stocks on the Robinhood app, the Stash app, the E-Trade app, and the Webull app. So get some apps to start investing with stocks and cryptocurrencies. And I'm also now investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yep, I'm investing in all that stuff because I'm trying to get financial independence from working a job, and I'm trying to get financial freedom. I mean, everyone wants it, and we deserve it. It's our divine right to be wealthy, be prosperous, and be rich. But investing is not going to get you rich over time. I mean, this is going to take a while. This is not no overnight rich scheme, and there is no overnight rich scheme. There's no such thing as that. So this is going to take time. Not going to build up a whole lot of money overnight. I mean, come on now. Let's be realistic. You're not going to build up a whole lot of money overnight. But if you start investing money every week, eventually your money is going to build up, and eventually it's going to build up into a larger and larger amount. Each time you keep investing money every week, it's going to build up and build up into larger and larger amounts over time. But I would say like to, yeah, invest a certain percentage of your income of what you can afford. Invest it in cryptocurrencies and the stock market. And now with cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is good to invest in. So I'm going to start investing in Dogecoin too. And I'm going to start investing in silver and gold. Also will say, while you invest in a certain percentage of money in the stock market, in stocks, while you're doing that, I will also say, try to save $25 or $15 a week. I would say try to save cash money and have it in your house. I would say try to save of cash money and put it in a safe deposit box and hide it somewhere in your house, because you never know when an emergency might come up, or you might need it for a rainy day. So I would say to try to save of cash money and have it in your house for a rainy day, or for any kind of major emergency. So I would save like, at least try to save $25, $15, $10, or even $5. Save what you can afford. But the stocks does good. I heard that Tesla is a good stock to invest in. I got stocks in Tesla, Apple, and I got stocks in Pfizer. I got some shares in the Pfizer vaccine stock, because the vaccines, that's trending. So whatever is trending and was popular in the economy, that is what you should be investing in. So the vaccines, they're popular and trending right now. So it's good to invest in vaccine companies like Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, and Johnson and Johnson has out a vaccine now. So it's good to invest in those vaccine companies. And it's also good to invest in Tesla, Apple, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, American Airlines, Delta Airlines. I mean, because soon as as soon as people start traveling again, the stocks are going to go up with the airlines. As soon as everybody, as soon as people get vaccinated, and the airlines and people is traveling more. Once people start traveling more, the stocks and shares is going to go up in the airlines. So it's also good to invest in the airlines. And so those are some good stocks to invest in. Also, Amazon stocks and shares is I think it's about 3,000 and something. Amazon shares is worth a good amount of money. So it's also good to invest in Amazon. I'm going to be investing in Amazon, and I'm going to be investing in the airlines. So those are also stocks to get you started off and invested in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, gold, and silver. So those are a few stocks and cryptocurrencies to get you started with investing in. Yes, like I say, if you do this all the time, eventually your money is going to build up. Eventually, your income is going to build up larger and larger. You never know. With the stock market, you can invest in a stock for this year or over 6 months. You can invest. You can invest in a stock, but in the next 6 months or next year, the stock can blow up. It can make you money, and who knows? It, if the stock blow up, you can get a good return back. You can get a good return of like maybe 1,000, 3,000, or 5,000. Who knows? All your investments, they can add up to about 10,000, 15,000, or 20,000. You never know. The stock market is so unpredictable. So you just never know, but it's worth it. It's worth the risk and the try, because if my stocks blow up and I'm getting money in the thousands, I'm gonna be so happy. You want to? I know you'll be happy. Your stock blows up and you get money in the thousands. That's a good return. So I know you also would be happy, excited, and ecstatic about it. Okay, so those are steps to you getting financial freedom and financial independence. I'm not going to sell you no fake dream or no fake MLM online marketing scheme that a lot of people is doing. I'm not going to take your money and sell you a fake dream, tell you a fake story, and a fake lie. I'm not going to do that. I'm not gonna tell you how I was struggling to pay my bills, and I started up this program, and now I'm living in a mansion. I'm showing you a mansion. I'm showing you Lamborghini cars, a Ferrari. I'm showing you me. I'm showing you that I'm traveling to beaches, island. I'm living a extravagant lifestyle. I'm not fake. I'm not gonna fake and lie to you like that. I'm not gonna show you a facade. I'm not doing no smoking mirrors. I'm not doing a. I'm not going to make you think that everything that glitters is gold. I'm not going to sell you a fake illusion, a fake life, a fake lifestyle. I would never do that because I'm not fake. I believe in truth, righteousness, justice. I'm all for harmony and balance. I'm for harmony, balance, and justice. I'm for harmony, balance, justice. Just like the scales of my art in ancient Kemet. I believe in that. I hold principles to being righteous, truthful, and honest. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tell you the simple way to become, invest in yourself. I'm not going to take your money, and don't give your money to no false line companies selling you a fake dream that's impossible to achieve. I'm going to say invest in yourself. Invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies, and save our cash money and stash it away in your house. Those are steps to you becoming, those are steps to building money and wealth. Those are steps to you building wealth and money into larger amounts over time and over the years. Okay, I'm Mikkel. I hope this video was good. I hope this video was very informationable and knowledgeable. I hope this video had good information and good knowledge in it about investing in yourself and investing in stocks to double your money. I hope this video is helping you to be on your way to building wealth, have financial freedom and financial independence. I hope this video is helping you to be on your way to building generational wealth. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm going. I'm Mikkel. Subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on notifications. I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your good day. I plan to enjoy the rest of my good day. Bye, chosen ones. Bye. I love you all. One love. One love. One love.